pasta salad, right? It's quick, it's easy, and it's always a crowd pleaser. First, the pasta. Bow tie pasta gets cooked in super salty water. Then once it's tender, I'll drain it. See, here's a trick. Since the broccoli has to go into the pasta salad and the broccoli also needs to be blanched, drain the pasta over the broccoli. That way, you kill two birds with one stone. Meanwhile, I'll throw some bacon into the oven after topping it with brown sugar, and when it comes out, I'll chop it down to size and prepare the pasta salad. Pasta, broccoli, bacon, sun-dried tomatoes, black olives, and then the dressing. It's super simple. It's vinegar, sugar, garlic, salt, pepper, mustard, and olive oil. All of that gets mixed together. Then the whole dressing is poured over the pasta salad for a robust finish. The salad goes into a bowl and then into the fridge until it's chilled and ready to serve.